Welcome back, everyone. This is Chris from Chris Travels, and I thought what I would do today is do a 1-year review on my Hikity Apple CarPlay and Android Auto head unit. I must start off by saying that this has been one of the greatest investments I have ever made. This head unit is just amazing in every single way, even down to cost, what this head unit is capable of doing. I picked this thing up for less than $100, and let me tell you, I have nothing but great things to say about it. You have your time and your date right here. You have your radio, which I'm not playing anything, but you kind of get the idea of how this works. But you can see right here how responsive this head unit is. Yeah, it's very, very responsive. I mean, I'm going pretty quick here. And you can see it's scanning and automatically adding my channels for me. This is where it gets fun. You have Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Also with this, you have Bluetooth, and you have the ability to plug in a second source of video through AV. If you could just imagine the possibilities with this. When I drive at night, I prefer not to have a lot of light in my eyes because it makes it difficult to see sometimes. So you can actually dim the screen or have it go completely off. It may not look like it dimmed much, but it did. And then it's off. This is for USB. If you have a USB connected, this will give you options, which I don't. I just have my cable for CarPlay. Now we're just going to briefly run around the settings. You have your autoplay, parking displays, cameras. This did ship with a camera. I did not install it because I have the Halo View. And here's your language setup if you want to see what languages are available for you. I think it's amazing. You can change your background display if you want a funky background. Cool, right? And here is where you can adjust your treble and your bass. Now, if you look, just how sensitive that is. This is something that I noticed right away, just how responsive this screen is to a push. And this is where you set the balance of your audio. And if you want the loudness, loudness is on. In your EQ, you have several different options here that set the equalizer. On the side, you have your power, home, back, volume up and volume down. You have a reset button and a mic. You can take calls on this head unit, providing your phone is connected. This is your microphone. I just plugged in my phone and here it is. Apple CarPlay on this Hikity head unit. On the upper left, you have your clock and your cell phone signal strength. Here are your most recently used apps. And of course, at top, I have RV Life because I love Trip Wizard. And if you want to get started with RV Life Pro and RV Life Trip Wizard, I have an affiliate link in the description box down below. And if you decided to subscribe, I get a small commission, so thank you. And for my Android family, here is Android Auto. Very nice and clean interface. Here are your icons on the side with your clock and your battery. Here are the apps. You can see the map moves very nicely. And everything you would expect is here. Well, there you have it, my 1-year review of the Hikity 9-inch Apple CarPlay and Android Auto head unit. I thought it was amazing then, and it's even more amazing now because I got to use it all this time. It's an incredible unit. It works really well. It does what it's designed to do, and it does it at a fair price. And if you want to try it out for yourself, I have an affiliate link in the description box down below that will lead you to Amazon where you can pick up one of these amazing head units for yourself. And when you pick up this head unit, I want you to come back to this video and I want you to let me know how it went. I want to hear how excited you are to own one of these. And once again, this is Chris from Chris Travels, and I'll see you on the road.